Hey guys, I'm your old friend Tiffany. Today, guess what I'm going to do? Okay, I will introduce you all of this night vision device. Okay, let's from the right hand. Okay, the first one, guess what? Is PVS 14. Yeah, we can see from its looking, it's a small, right? Okay, the characteristics of this night vision device is it's very small and it's lightweight, so it's portable. You can use it in daily. Okay, and it just have one tube in here, and this is the eyepiece. This is the objective lens. Okay, that's it. Next, let's come to the PVS 7. Okay, we can see from its looking, it has two eyepieces, right? Yeah, two eyepieces, you can see. And it has one tube, one image intensifier tube in here. Okay, so the 7 is a little heavier than the PVS 14, but it's more ergonomic. That means when you use it, you can have the most comfortable feeling because it has two eyes. And when we have two eyes, we can just use like this. Okay, that's all. Next, let's come to the PVS 31. Okay, PVS 31, we can see from its looking, we have two tubes and two eyepieces. Yeah. And the PVS 31, when we use it, we can have a more clear image and we can get more details in the dark environment. And the most important part of PVS 31 is that you can use it, when you flip on it, you can use it just like two PVS 14, just like this, do you see? And when you flip on it, and you can use it just like PVS 31. So it's more comfortable, and it's optional. You can use it in many modes. Okay, that's the PVS 31. Last is come to the GPNVG 18. Okay, so we can see from its looking, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 tubes, and you can look at its eyepieces. So what's the features of the GPNVG 18? Yeah, we can see from its looking, because it has 4 tubes, so that means you can get the widest view when you use the GPNVG 18. And you can use it to observe more details, but you don't need to turn your head, because it has the 98 FOV. The FOV of the GPNVG 18 is 98. Okay, that means when we use it, we can see many details in front of me, but we don't need to turn my head. But when we use this, okay, let me introduce to you. When we use this, you need to turn your head. Okay, do you understand? Okay, that's all. Thank you.